1. Historical significance. Republic Day in India is celebrated on January 26th to mark the day when the Constitution of India came into effect in 1950, replacing the Government of India Act 1935 and declaring India as a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. 2. Constitutional birth. The day signifies the adoption of the Constitution, which was drafted by a Constituent Assembly led by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The process of drafting the Constitution took almost 3 years. 3. First Republic Day celebration. The First Republic Day was celebrated on January 26, 1950, with great enthusiasm as India formally became a republic, a nation with a president as its head. 4. Chief guest at the parade. Each year, a chief guest, often head of state or government from another country, is invited to attend the Republic Day parade in New Delhi. This tradition symbolizes India's diplomatic ties with various nations. 5. Grand Parade in New Delhi. The main Republic Day parade in the capital includes a colorful display of India's military might, cultural diversity, and achievements in various fields. It takes place on Rajpath and culminates at the historic Red Fort. 6. Ceremonial flag hoisting. The President of India hoists the national flag at Rajpath during the Republic Day parade, followed by the singing of the national anthem. 7. Awards and recognitions. Republic Day is an occasion to honor individuals for their exceptional service to the nation. The prestigious Padma Awards, including Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, and Padma Shri, are often announced on this day. 8. Beating Retreat Ceremony. The celebrations extend beyond January 26, with a beating retreat ceremony held on January 29th. This ceremony marks the end of the Republic Day festivities and is performed by the 3 wings of the Indian military. 9. Patriotic programs. Schools, colleges, and various organizations across the country organize cultural programs, flag hoisting ceremonies, and events to instill a sense of patriotism among citizens. 10. National holidays. Republic Day is a national holiday in India, and government offices, schools, and many businesses remain closed to commemorate the day. Republic Day is a significant event in the Indian calendar, celebrating the country's democratic values, unity and diversity, and the spirit of being a sovereign nation.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलसि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय दाता जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे जय हिंद।